Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Charles Schwab brokerage account on iPhone, secure access step by step clearly. Open your iPhone and locate the Charles Schwab app. Tap on the app icon to launch it. Once the app is open, you will see the login screen. Enter your username in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos. Next, tap on the password field. Carefully input your password. If you prefer, you can use the Show Password option to ensure accuracy. After entering your details, look for the Login button. Tap on Login to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you'll be directed to your account overview. In case you've forgotten your username or password, tap on the Forgot Username or Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your credentials securely. For added security, make sure you've enabled two-factor authentication in your account settings. This will add an extra layer of protection to your login process. If you're using a public network, avoid logging into sensitive accounts. Always ensure your app is updated for optimal security and performance. Once logged in, you can access your account details and manage your investments. Remember to log out of your account when you're finished using the app. This is important for keeping your financial information secure. Now you are ready to navigate your Charles Schwab brokerage account with confidence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.